When history's a mystery and you don't know what to do, call Sherlock Bones and he will help sniff out some clues for you.
Why, hello. The name is Bones. Sherlock Bones. I am a history detective, meaning I find clues to help me learn about the past. How was it different from today? How was it similar? Today, I will be investigating one of my favorite topics, food. How do we prepare food today, and how did they prepare it in the past? I'm off to the kitchen to investigate. This is an oven where food is cooked and baked. The energy to make this oven work comes from gas, but there are also electric ovens that use electricity for power. On the stovetop burners, the gas makes flames to heat things up, like this soup. You can control how fast things are heated by making the flames smaller or larger. Inside the oven, things are baked. This process is still powered by the gas, but does not use flames. In here we see one of my favorite snacks baking, cookies. Now the next mystery to solve. Who ate the rest of my cookies? Gas stoves didn't become popular until the early 1900s. So how did people cook and bake before that? I have traveled to Rancho Los Cerritos in the year 1850 to find some clues to answer this question. I think I've spotted some clues. Perhaps there is someone here who can tell me a bit more about them.
Amigo, bienvenidos a mi horno. Esta es mi cocina. This is my kitchen. This is my oven where I cook the meals for the workers. Would you like to see it?
Oh, yes, please.
Well, right in there, I heat this horno up with this firewood for 4 hours. It takes a good long while, but once it's heat up, the earth is nice and warm, and all that energy built up in the horno can now go onto the dough, and it becomes bread, which my workers can eat. You see this right here? This is adobe, which is a combination of clay, dirt, water, sand, and straw put together and dried for many weeks until it's nice and hard. And this is what we use to build this horno. This is also what built the Grand Casa over here. The great house is built out of this material as well. It's a good material, and what this does, with all its thickness, it holds all that heat and energy so that we could eat some pan, some bread that we could cook in here. And I think it might be ready.
Ah, yes, I see. It is still hot in here. Now, where is this bread that you were talking about?
See over here? Oh, you can still feel it's pretty hot, but I think the pan is ready. Let's take it out. Take a look at that. Mmm, delicioso, que rico. Wouldn't you say?
Well, my friends, there you have it. Mystery solved. Outdoor ovens called hornos were fueled or powered by burning wood. It took much longer to do any baking back then, but that bread smelled almost as delicious as my cookies. Until we meet again to investigate our next history mystery.